9, the internet. You will learn about meaning of term internet, requirements for internet connection and some common types of internet connection in this chapter. Let's start. Students, you already learnt about internet in previous class. Internet means network of networks. Millions of computers across the world are connected with each other through telephone wires, cables, dongles, Wi-Fi satellites, etc. When computers are linked over the internet, they are able to share various kinds of information such as text, video, voice, and so on with each other. Nowadays, even you can pay different kinds of bills, book tickets, make hotel reservation, perform banking operation, etc. by using internet. In a simple language, internet is defined as a global network of computers. To connect to internet, the following requirements need to be met: a computing device, modem, data transfer media, communication software, ISP subscription. A computing device. A computing device could be any computer or handheld device such as desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Modem. Modem acts as a link between the computer and internet. It allows the computer to connect and communicate with other computers over internet. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. There are two types of modems as internal or external. Internal modem is fixed inside a computer and external modem is separate machine that could be wired or wireless. Speed of a modem is measured in bits per second, means number of bits transferred in a second. Next, data transfer media, which transfer the data from one computer to another over the internet. It can be telephone lines, satellites, dongles, etc. Fourth, communication software. Communication software refers to a web browser. You cannot access the internet without web browser. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox, etc. Next is ISP subscription. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Is an organization that allows you to access internet for personal and commercial requirement in exchange of certain fee. For example, Airtel, Reliance, BSNL, and now some users are using Jio and Idea Cellular, etc. Common types of internet connection. Some common modes of internet connections are dial-up, broadband. Dial-up, this type of connection established a link between a computer and an ISP through a telephone line. To connect internet, you need to dial the number of the ISP server. Broadband. It is another type of internet connection. Broadband refers to the connection that uses a broad bandwidth. Bandwidth refers to the amount of data that communication data transfer medium can carry in a given amount of time. Therefore, broadband is a communication media that is capable of carrying large amount of data per unit time. There are various mediums which are used to transmit data, such as cables, digital subscriber line. It uses existing telephone lines, satellite, wireless connection like Wi-Fi. For establishing Wi-Fi, you will need a wireless internet card and a wireless router. There is some difference between dial-up and broadband. Dial-up requires dialing to connect to ISP via telephone line. Broadband always connected to internet without dialing. Dial-up is a very slow speed connection, but broadband is very high speed connection. Dial-up uses dial-up modem, whereas broadband use broadband up modem. Using a dial-up line to transmit data is similar to using the telephone line to make a call, whereas broadband use following media for transmit data, cables, DSL means digital subscriber line, satellite, wireless, which you can say Wi-Fi. Okay, thanks students for watching. Stay home, stay safe.